said you were leaving. Someone swept your heart away. From the look on your face, I see it's true. So tell me all about it. Tell me about the plans you're making. Oh, tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is gone? Too proud for crying, didn't come here to break down. It's just a dream of mine is coming to an end. And how can I blame you when I built my world around the hope that one day we'd be so much more than friends? I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Oh, even now it's more than I can take. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is gone? Now I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Oh, now that your dream has come true, tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is gone?
I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. And I know just where to touch you, and I know just what to prove. I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is fading, and I know the time's gonna fly. And I'm never gonna tell you everything I gotta tell you, but I know I gotta give it a try. And I know the roads to riches, and I know the ways to fame. I know all the rules, and then I know how to break 'em, and I making love out of nothing at all, 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 out of nothing at all. Every time I see you on the rays of the sun, I'm streaming through the waves in your hair, and every star in the sky is taking aim at your eyes like a spotlight. The beating of my heart is a drum and it's lost, and it's looking for a rhythm like you. You can take the darkness from the pit of the night and turn it to a beacon burning endlessly bright. I gotta follow it 'cause everything I know, well, it's nothing till I give it to you. I can make the runner stumble, I can make the final block, and I can make every tackle at the sound of the whistle. I can make all the stadiums rock. I can make tonight forever, or I can make it disappear by the dawn. And I can make you every promise that has ever been made, and I can make all your demons be gone. But I'm never gonna make it without you. Do you really wanna see me crawl? And I'm never gonna make it like you do, making love out of nothing at all, 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 out of nothing at all.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before.
Yo, DJ Marlon.
Jogger! Jogger! I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get to it, I know we could break through it. gave my all, but I think my all may have been too much. 'Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems we're always blowing whatever we've got going, and it seems at times with all we've got, we haven't got a prayer. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? Where are we going wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. I want to understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can't we get ourselves in hand and admit to one another we're no good without each other? Take the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Whoa, make the magic last for more than just one night. Know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. Whoa, we can get to it. Short and sweet. No sense in dragging on past our needs. Let's don't keep it hanging on. If the fire's out, we should both be gone. Some people are made for each other. Some people can love one another for life. How about us? Some people can hold it together, last all kind of weather. Can we? Now don't you get me wrong,
What you saying to me, baby?
'cause I'm not trying now to end it all.
It's just something new.
It's just that I have
What
seen
you see?
too many lovers' hearts lose their dreams.
We won't lose it.
Some people are made for each other. Some people can love one another for life. How about us? Some people can hold it together, last all kind of weather. Can we?
How about us? How about us, baby? How about us? How about us?
Hey,
How about us? How about us, baby?
are we gonna make it, girl?
Sometimes I wonder by the look in your eyes. When I'm standing beside you, there's a fever burning deep inside. Is there another in your memory? Do you think of that someone when you hear that special melody? I always stop and think of you, especially when the words of a love song touch the very heart of me. There'll be sad songs to make you cry. Love songs often do. They can touch the heart of someone new, saying I love you. I often wonder how it could be, you loving me, two hearts in perfect harmony. I'll count the hours until that day a rhapsody plays, a melody for you and me, until the moment that you give your love to me. You're the one I care for, the one that I would wait for. There'll be sad songs to make you cry. Love songs often do. They can touch the heart of someone new, saying I love you. Oh, there'll be sad songs to make you cry. Love songs often do. They can touch the heart of someone new, saying I love you. Ooh, ooh.
I was a game he would play. He brought the clouds to my day. Then like a ray of light, you came my way one night. Just one look and I knew you would make everything clear. Make all the clouds disappear. Put all your fears to rest. Who do I love the best? Don't you know, don't you know? You got it all over him. You got me over him. Honey, it's true. There's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call you when out on a limb. And you're all that he's not. Just look what I got. 'Cause you got it all over silver moon
trouble to know. Oh, I saw you by the wall. 10 of your tin soldiers in a row, with eyes that looked like ice on fire. The human heart, a captive in the snow. On that key tag you will never know anything about my home. I never know how good it feels to hold you. Nikita, I need you so. Oh, Nikita is the other side of any given line in time, counting tempting soldiers in a row. Oh no, Nikita, you'll never know.
I see
remember how your touch was so tender. It told me you cared. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see it until it was gone. A second once in a lifetime, maybe too much to ask, but I swear from now on, if ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time we'll never end.
When I find myself watching the time, I never think about all the funny things you said. I feel like it's dead. Where is it leading me now? I turn around in the still of the room, knowing this is when I'm gonna make my move. Can't wait any longer, and I'm feeling stronger. But oh, just as I walk to the door, I can feel your emotion. There's together. So deep inside we share a feeling that's so rare, so sweet, just knowing that we are a special pair.
Right on time, we're two of a kind, and heaven knows this love will grow stronger every day.
Perfect combination, love plus you and me. Perfect combination, we couldn't ask for any better. Perfect combination, we fit to a T. A perfect combination, with all it takes to last forever. Together, we can conquer any mountain.
Oh, baby,
Just as long as we're together. 'Cause as one, we are an endless fountain, overflowing with love. Perfect love, perfect combination.
oh, baby,
Love plus you and me. Perfect combination, we couldn't ask for any better. Oh no, we fit to a T. A perfect combination, with all it takes to last forever. Perfect combination,
perfect,
love plus you and me. A perfect combination, we couldn't ask for any better. No, no, baby, yeah.
You and me, just you and me, yeah.
Baby, perfect combination.
With name? Jamaica Reggae Retreat, featuring Turbulence the Future.
Reggae Vibes Promotions presents Jamaica Reggae Retreat with international reggae star Turbulence. Join us in Montego Bay, Jamaica from April 18th through the 22nd, 2024. Spend 4 nights and 5 days at an all-inclusive Jamaican-owned resort on the famous Hip Strip, walking distance from the world-renowned Doctor's Cave Beach. Immerse yourself in the rich culture as you participate in a one-of-a-kind tour to 9 Mile St. Anne, the birthplace of Bob Marley.
But they told me not to smoke on the job. I'm not a good listener. So I end up lost my job 6 times. From Monday to Saturday.
Climb the stunning Dunn's River Falls and revitalize your soul in its many natural lagoons. Chat with Turbulence. Find out what inspires his music and then listen as he performs at a concert. Increase your knowledge of Rastafarianism with special 420 day activities. Visit reggaevibestravel.com for more details.
Give him a round of applause. Come on, a round of applause. Wow!